Chapter 2. Managing Windows 11 Settings. Chapter Profile. Changing date and time settings. Taskbar and start menu settings. Mouse settings. Sound settings. Uninstalling a software. Control panel. In Windows 11, there is an exclusive feature called Settings or Windows Settings, using which we can customize various operating system functionalities. Settings are the place that has options to control all the hardware and software in a computer system. We can open the settings of Windows 11 in any of the following ways. Click the Start button. A start menu appears, and select the All Apps and select the Settings icon. Or type Settings in the search box and click the Settings option. The setting window opens and the various options present in it are displayed. System. This option allows you to view and change options related to display, storage, battery, sound, notification and power and sleep. Bluetooth and devices. This option allows you to view and change options related to peripherals attached to the computer, such as the mouse, printer, scanner, Bluetooth and wireless devices, touchpad, and USB. You may specify an action when a device is attached to the computer, such as importing files when the USB is attached. Network and Internet. This option shows the various networks to which you can connect the computer. You can also customize their options and troubleshoot from here. Personalization. This option allows you to personalize the look and feel of the computer as you want. You can select the desktop background, a theme, colors, fonts, taskbar options, start menu settings, and lock screen settings. Apps. This option allows you to see all the apps installed on the computer, set default apps for various actions. Accounts. This option allows you to access and edit your account information with which you have configured the computer. You can also sync your account with the computer and set up your personal and professional accounts on the computer. Time and language. This option allows you to access and edit date and time settings, language and speech settings on the computer. Gaming. This option allows you to play games on the computer or attach devices to play games. Accessibility. This option enables you to work easily and smoothly on the computer through various options of display, hearing, using mouse and keyboard and color filters. Privacy and security. This option allows you to set various options to control privacy of your computers and data. You can set permissions for the various apps as well as Windows from here. Windows Update. Windows 11 has a number of options to control updates and security of the computer. You can update Windows, background and recover files, troubleshoot and configure settings for security of Windows. Changing date and time settings. The current date and time of the computer is displayed in the notifications area on the taskbar. We can make changes to the settings of date and time from Windows settings. To change date and time setting, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Click Time and Language. Step 2. The date and time settings appear in the window. Step 3. Turn off Set Time automatically if it is on and click the Change button. The Change Date and Time dialog box opens. Step 4. Now change the date to correct month, day and year and change the time. After that, click Change to apply. Close the Settings app after the changes have been made. Taskbar and Start Menu Settings. We are aware that the taskbar is usually located at the bottom of the desktop. The taskbar enables us to locate and launch programs with the help of the Start button and view any program that is active or currently open. There are various settings associated with the taskbar, for example, locking the taskbar, hiding the taskbar, changing the size of the taskbar buttons, and changing the position of the taskbar. We can access and manage all these settings window. To do this, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the Setting app and click Personalization. Step 2. Select the taskbar option in the panel on the left. Step 3. Observe various settings for the taskbar. Select On or Off under different settings and note how these changes affect the taskbar appearance. Also try to change the position of the taskbar by selecting any of the options out of left or center under taskbar behaviors. Step 4. Once settings for the taskbar have been done, select the Start option from the panel on the left. The Start settings open. Step 5. Turn different settings on or off and see the results in the Start menu. For example, we can choose to show more or less tiles in the Start menu, show or hide the app list in the Start menu, show or hide recently added apps, and more. Smart tip. The taskbar settings can also be changed by right-clicking an empty area on the taskbar and selecting the taskbar settings option in the menu. Mouse settings. There are numerous settings to help us use the mouse with the computer. Below are some of the things we can do with the mouse. Change the pointer's type, that is, the shape of the mouse pointer. Change the pointer's movement speed, or the speed with which the mouse pointer moves on the screen. Change the double-click speed, that is, the animated trail behind the mouse pointer that appears when the mouse moves on the screen. Change the pointer's trail, that is, the animated trail behind the mouse pointer that appears when the mouse moves on the screen. To change or configure the mouse settings, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the Settings app and click Bluetooth and Devices. Step 2. Click Mouse in the panel on the left. The mouse window appears. Select any of them as desired. Step 3. Click on any desired options to change the setting of the mouse. Sounds settings. In Windows 11, we can use the Settings app and manage advanced settings for sound. To do this, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the settings and click System. Step 2. Click Sound in the left panel. The window showing sound settings appears with two sections, Output and Input. These sections show the output and input devices attached to the computer. Step 3. Click on All Sound Devices arrow. You will get the All Sound Devices window and choose the desired sound device. Step 4. You will get the Sound Properties window with settings for the device. Change the settings as you want and go back to Sound Settings using the back button on top left of the window. Uninstalling a software. Uninstalling means to remove the software and all its files from the computer and memory. To uninstall the software, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Open the Settings app and click Apps. Step 2. Click on the Install Apps. The App Settings window will open. Step 3. Scroll down and select the app that is to be uninstalled. Click on the three dots on the right side and click on the Uninstall button that appears. Info Byte. We can uninstall an app in another way. Click the Start button and look for the app in the list that appears. Right-click the app and select Uninstall. Control Panel. The Control Panel is present as a special folder in Windows 11 and provides tools for installing or uninstalling software. Change the settings of hardware, controlling user accounts, changing accessibility options, accessing network settings, and much more. Info Byte. The Control Panel has been a part of Windows operating system since Windows 1.0. From Windows 95, the Control Panel is given as a special folder. Opening Control Panel. We can open the Control Panel in Windows 11 in any of the following ways. 1. Click the Start button and select Control Panel from the tiles. 2. Type Control Panel in the search box and click on the Control Panel app under Best Match. The Control Panel window opens and the various categories present in it are displayed. Features and functions of Control Panel. System and security. Users can adjust system settings related to display, sound, power management, date and time, and system updates. Hardware and sound. Users can manage hardware devices such as printers, scanners, keyboards, mouse, and other peripherals. They can install, configure, update, or troubleshoot device drivers and settings. Network and Internet. Users can configure network connections, wireless networks, proxy settings, and Internet options. They can also troubleshoot network-related issues and view network status. User accounts. Users can create and manage user accounts, change passwords, set permissions, and configure security settings such as Windows Firewall and User Account Control UAC. Programs. Users can install, uninstall, and manage software applications and system components. They can also change default programs, manage startup programs, and perform system maintenance tasks. Ease of access. Users can customize accessibility settings to make the system easier to use for individuals with disabilities. This includes options for visual impairments, hearing impairments, mobility impairments, and cognitive impairments. At a glance. In Windows 11, there is an exclusive feature called Settings or Windows Settings, using which we can customize the operating system. The current date and time of the computer is displayed in the notifications are on the taskbar. We can change the date and time settings from Windows Settings. The taskbar enables us to locate and launch programs with the help of the Start button and view any program that is active or currently open. The Control Panel is present as a special folder in Windows operating system and it provides tools for adding or removing hardware and software.